All right, according to some students, what is the true purpose of homework? Now what we're going to do, our goal continues to be getting it in slope-intercept form. So y equals mx plus b, or making sure we know your mama's ex-boyfriend. We've got to keep track of those things. Okay? So, if we look at the first problem, which is 2x plus 5y equals 10. And we know our objective is to put things back in your mama's ex-boyfriend. Y equals mx plus b, which is the slope-intercept form. All right? So the first thing we want to do is get all the y's on one side of the equation. So let's add negative 2x to both sides. So now we have 5y by itself on one side equals negative 2x plus 10. So far, so good? Do I need to use a black pen? See if I have one. Okay? Now, it's not 5 yours, mamas. It's 1. So how would I make 5 y's into 1 y? Divide by 5. So let's divide by 5. But if I divide this by 5, I also have to divide this by 5 and this by 5. Okay? So now I have y equals negative 2/5 x plus, what's 10 divided by 5? 2. So this first problem becomes y equals negative 2/5 x plus 2. But you don't worry about it being a fraction because it's not really, it's slope. It's a downward slope with a rise of negative 2 and a run of 5. So down here on the bottom, we're looking for a slope of negative 2/5 and a y-intercept of positive 2. It's right here, and that's the letter O.
Why is O 0 just like my cousins?
Well, they don't on a keyboard, as you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, and O is rounder, and 0 is taller and skinnier. Let's pick another one to do. What's another one that looks icky?
Same mother but different dads.
How about F? Let's look at F. So that was O. Let's look at letter F. Negative 2x plus 7y equals 0. Sometimes the zeros throw us for a loop. What do we have to do first?
Get the y's on one.
Get the y's on one side by doing what?
Positive 2x.
Positive 2x. So add 2x to both sides. So now we have 7y equals 2x. Now what? How do we get y by itself? Divide both sides by 7. Divide both sides by 7. So now we have y equals 2/7 x. Who's the boyfriend? 0. Exactly. So that one wasn't so bad. So down here in the answers, we're looking for slope of 2/7
And 0.
and 0. And there it is, and that was letter
Yeah.
F. Right next to the one we already did. Questions? We cool?